This is another video on request. Proposal writing. Write a proposal to the school authorities to build a well-equipped health dispensary in the school. Format may vary slightly. Follow the instructions given at school. This is a sound piece of advice that I can give you from my practical experience. Adjust and adapt accordingly. The basic format is the same, but do as your school teacher has told you. Start writing your proposal with a suitable title. Take help for writing the title from the question. In the question it is given, a proposal to build a well-equipped health dispensary in the school, and that's exactly my title. Proposal to build a well-equipped health dispensary in the school. Everything must be in block letters. Underline it neatly with the help of your pencil and your ruler. Leave one line and start writing the introduction. Again, you may write the term introduction. You may underline it. You will have to underline it if you are writing introduction, and if you are not writing it, it's fine if your teacher has told you to do so. I have written introduction and I have underlined it here. To promote the health of students, identify and prevent health problems, injuries, and ensure care for students, we propose to set up a well-equipped health dispensary in the school. This is the introduction, a single sentence. I have packed in so many points and I have done that judiciously. Learn how I have written the introduction. To promote the health of students, identify and prevent health problems, injuries, and ensure care for students, we propose to set up a well-equipped health dispensary in the school. Simple English, simple sentences, short crisp points, and you are perfectly fine to get good marks. Next, leave another line and come to the objectives. Write objectives, underline it, and then start writing the objectives. Why do you propose to set up this dispensary? 2 points. You may write in a single paragraph or you may change paragraph in order to write down the 2 points. A health dispensary will ensure health appraisal of students, remedial measures and follow-up, along with prevention of communicable diseases. My first objective. Second objective, it will provide first aid and emergency care, emphasize on personal hygiene and nutritional services. All the points must be directly related to the topic and the language must be suitable related to the topic. Leave one line and write down list of measures. Again, underline it, leave another line and use bullets to write the list of measures. Write 4 points. Bullet 1. Don't write 1, 2, 3, 4. Just give bullets. It will be accessible to teachers, students and non-teaching staff. The salient features of this proposal must be stated clearly in the list of measures. The second point, a qualified doctor as well as a trained assistant must be appointed. The third point, importance must be given to comprehensive health exams, availability of basic medicines, referrals, coordination of outside services like X-ray. Now the spelling of coordination, there is a slight overwriting, coordination, coordination. Isolation room, immunization, student counseling must be catered to. These are the salient features of our proposal and then end your proposal by writing, "We hope our proposal will be given utmost priority and full consideration." Leave one line and then start writing this ending. An appropriate ending must be provided. After that, leave another line and write your name and designation. Again, this is optional. In some schools, the teachers have asked their students to write the name and designation, and in some schools, the teachers have asked to not write the name and designation. Do whatever has been said at school. This is how you write a proposal. Do check the playlist for more videos on proposal writing, ISC proposal writing. Till then, take care and study well.